Mihira
and I am Madhura.
Welcome back to Meera Madhu Sister Show. So today we are going to learn how to make watermelon bookmarks. So here we have created some. You can also create your unique watermelon bookmark. So let us begin. So first we have a paper. It is, and now
Like this.
you have to take two papers. It can be of any measure. Okay, it is not compulsory. So what you are going to do? We are going to color this paper red, this paper light green, this paper dark green, but not now. So first you have to fold this paper
like a diamond shape.
Yes, you have to fold it like a diamond shape,
Like this.
and you will get a shape like triangle shape. Okay.
You have to just fold it like this.
Yes. And
Then
then
to make a diamond and then fold it like
yes. So then again fold it. Again fold it in triangle shape.
like this.
Like this. Madhura,
Yes.
what are the benefits of bookmark?
When we forget a page, to remember it.
Yes. So here our step 2 is also ready. First we folded it once and then twice, and then open it
Like this. You have to open
and
it.
then
And then
do it like this.
make it like a
Diamond. So we have created a diamond here.
like this.
Once you have created a diamond, you have to open this again and do it upside down. So you will get a shape like this. Now
Like
you
a
have
bird.
to take this corner upwards
Like this to up. Like this.
Now we have done this coloring. Now you will take the small paper and trace it. You have to take a pencil. The pencil and draw a little smile. This. So here we have colored it whole red, and we have drawn where I told you to not color in this side because there are eyes. So I have colored this black, a little portion only, and we have drawn a cute smile on a watermelon bookmark. Now we are going to do its outer side, which is dark green. Yes. So let us start. So for that you have to put your watermelon this. The watermelon side is like a smiley, so you have to draw a smile. Make sure you trace on that, or your dark green side will be very small, and watermelon will be big. So here we are tracing it beautifully. And then take a scissor and cut it out. So now we have cut it out, the dark green side. Now we will paste this where? Here on the side of the watermelon. So here see, it's our exact size. So now we will glue it to our side. Okay. So don't put too much glue or it will look bad. So here a little glue, an artistic touch, and put it like this. So here it is our dark green side. Press it firmly to give it a nice touch. So here it is looking like this. And now you have to take a dark green crayon or sketch pen. Here I am doing sketch pen because to look brighter, and you have to color it. Make sure it doesn't go on the red side. So here I'm coloring it. Now we are coloring the seeds. here. We are done coloring it. And our cute little watermelon bookmark is ready. So let us try it on. So here is our book. So, and see, it is looking so beautiful. So you can also make your watermelon bookmark, and if you have any page you don't remember, you can paste, you can put it here and remember that. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Subscribe our channel, like our video, and see, like this bookmarks you can make. So hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.